Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about 5 ways to initiate a romantic hug in a relationship. Hugs are a great way to show your partner that you love and care about them, and a romantic hug can be even more special. Tip 1. Approach your partner slowly and intentionally. When you're approaching your partner to initiate a romantic hug, do it slowly and intentionally. This will give them time to prepare for the hug and to know that it's coming from a place of love. You can start by making eye contact with your partner and smiling. Then, you can slowly walk towards them and wrap your arms around them. Be sure to press your body close to theirs, so that they can feel your warmth and love. Tip 2. Hold the hug for a few seconds. A romantic hug should last longer than a friendly hug. Don't be afraid to hold on to your partner for a few seconds, so that you can both savor the moment. If you want to make the hug even more special, you can try nuzzling your partner's neck or forehead, or whispering sweet words in their ear. Tip 3. Use your hands to caress your partner's body. Another way to make your hug more romantic is to use your hands to caress your partner's body. You can gently stroke their back, arms, or hair. Or, you can cup their face in your hands and look into their eyes. When you're using your hands to touch your partner, be sure to do it gently and lovingly. You don't want to come across as too aggressive or forceful. Tip 4. Lean in for a kiss. If you're feeling really bold, you can lean in for a kiss at the end of your hug. This is a great way to show your partner how much you love and desire them. Of course, you don't want to force a kiss on your partner. If they don't seem interested, simply back away. But if they're leaning in too, go for it. Tip 5. Be present in the moment. The most important thing when giving a romantic hug is to be present in the moment. Put away your phone, stop thinking about work, and focus on your partner. Take a deep breath and savor the feeling of their body pressed against yours. Let them know how much you love and care about them with your embrace. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 5 ways to initiate a romantic hug in a relationship. Next time you're feeling affectionate, try using one of these tips. Your partner will appreciate the gesture, and it will help to strengthen your relationship. Bonus tip: get creative. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to giving a romantic hug. The most important thing is to be genuine and to show your partner that you care. So, don't be afraid to get creative and come up with your own ways to initiate a romantic hug. You might be surprised at how much your partner enjoys it. Here are a few more ideas for initiating a romantic hug. Surprise your partner with a hug from behind. Give your partner a hug while you're dancing together. Give your partner a hug after they've done something nice for you. Give your partner a hug when you're feeling grateful for them.